4, 5, 6. Let's continue the 新架一路 the 29th posture. 大六封四闭，大六封四闭。大 means big, but this one means the movement must be, the posture must be more low, more expand. 大六封四闭。This is a repeated postures, but this one cut short. Previous have total 13, this one just 11 movements. Okay, that's me follow the routine direction, do once. 大六封四闭 is after the 岩手红拳 1, 1, this one 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 movements. Okay, let me explain in detail. Face the camera. After 岩手红拳 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 then this one change to the fist, use the end, squeeze out, same time body sinking down, legs expand, 1, then 2, 2, then 3. This one a bit different, change to fist already, 3. Push to your left leg. The weight now on left side, left side, left side. Then 4, 4, 5. That's why I call the 大六封四闭. This one must go low. Go, use the shoulder head out as low as possible. Then 6, 6, 6, 7. After 6, 6. Then got one more is 7, 7. Then this one step front little bit, just around 30 degrees front. Previous one is go back. This one is front. That's the difference. Another fun difference. Step forward, forward. Then squeeze, sinking down. Total 9. Total 10 postures. Okay, let me do one more time. Facing the camera in different angles. After 岩手红拳 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is a routine direction. After 岩手红拳 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this time is the direction. 沿手红拳 ，maybe I change a little bit angle. 沿手红拳 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this direction. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After this one, is next posture 13 is exactly same as before, called 单边. The most important and the fundamental posture in Xinjia and also Laojia. Total appear around 9 times. 单边 single whips. See you in next posture.